Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove power window regulator on Fiat Albea in 11 easy steps. First, remove the bolt from the plastic handle, then take it out. There is the bolt. Then remove those 6 bolts from the lower part of the door using a Phillips screwdriver and then take it out. Then remove those 2 bolts from the handle using a Phillips screwdriver. Then remove those 4 bolts from the door speaker using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the inner door panel from the clips and disconnect the cable from the window button. There is the cable, the yellow one. Now you can see the window regulator. So first take the protection foam out and remove those 7 nuts from the window regulator using a 10mm socket. Then remove that bracket that is indicated with a red arrow using a 10mm socket. Then leave the window down and disconnect the plastic ring from the window regulator. That one, the white one. So let me show you how you will take it out. You just have to twist that white plastic ring and slide it aside to remove it. And that's it. Then remove the window, or you can lift it up and then stick it on the door frame with duct tape. Remove the window regulator. You can unclip some clips from the cables if it's necessary to remove it. Then remove the cables from the window motor. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks.